want you to imagine yourself coached and mentored by somebody who's made multiple six figures online. I want you to imagine yourself a part of a team, a tribe of people who have access to tools and resources like traffic, where we're able to find people from Malaysia to California and drive them to a video so that they can receive the information and start to live a better life. I promise you, I've been on the other end of success. I know what it's like to work a 9 to 5. I know what it's like to grind. I know what it's like to toil. I know what it's like to hate your job and to want to know what your purpose is and like, why on earth am I here? But after so many years, I finally started to invest in mentorship, coaching, and in people that were doing what I wanted to do. I finally decided to start my own tribe. And if you want to be that person that's making $5,000 a month, $10,000 a month on autopilot, you need to get into this tribe. And the question shouldn't be, Marcus, how much is it going to cost me? The question should be, how much is it going to make me? How much is it going to transform your thinking? Listen, in today's world, if you're not making $5,000 to $10,000 a month online every month, you need to be rewired. And in this tribe, I'm gonna help you think differently. I'm gonna help you see differently. I want you to see yourself in a new place. I want you to feel what that new place is like. I want you to sense it, feel it, think of it. I want you to see yourself step into the car that you want. I want you to see yourself in the relationships that you want and traveling and doing what God has destined you to do. This is where you're going to discover that purpose. This is where you're going to unlock elevation. Click the link below to discover how you can begin to change your life starting today. I want to introduce you to the first day of the best days of your life. Click the link below and I'll see you on the inside. Let's go.